I believe that media company consolidation is a positive thing rather than a negative thing. The argument against me is that media consolidation gives too much power to large corporations. This causes a lack of voice for the people, monopolized opinions, and limited media variety. The facts, however, say something different. My research showed that if an occasional merger can save a local newspaper, we shouldn't automatically rule it out just because it's a merger. Waldman, 2012. That shows that it saves the small business. Despite consolidation, media choices have expanded exponentially through technology. Rutenberg, 2002. This means it expands variety. EchoStar, meanwhile, has found that there is money in offering immigrant communities programming from their home countries with Russian, Arab, Chinese, South Asian, and Greek language packages. Rutenberg, 2012. This gives minorities voices. For my sites, I have How to Fix the Media Ownership Debate and Fewer Media Owners, More Media Choices. Thank you.